In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add PayPal as your payment method on Instagram. You can simply start receiving payments, buy products or services using your PayPal account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Instagram account. On your profile page, you will have to click on these 3 lines right here. Select the option of Orders and Payments. On this page, you will have to click on the first option of Payment Methods. Select this option of Add Payment Method. Choose among the listed options of payment methods right here. For the purpose of this video, select PayPal. Wait for it to load. You will then have to log into your PayPal account and it will automatically get added as your new payment method. Instagram assures an encryption to protect your payments and keep your credentials secure. When using checkout, no one can see your PayPal password on Instagram after you enter it, which makes it secure for use. That's how easy it is to add PayPal as your payment method on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.